I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of a queen ant. First, you'll need to prepare a suitable home. A test tube setup with a water reservoir is ideal. Place the queen inside and seal the opening with a cotton ball. Keep her in a dark, quiet place like a drawer to minimize stress. This initial isolation is crucial for her to lay eggs. During the founding stage, your queen ant typically won't need food. She uses energy reserves from her wing muscles to sustain herself and her first brood. The water reservoir in her test tube setup is essential for hydration. Once the first worker ants emerge, you can offer a tiny drop of sugar water and a small protein source, like a dead insect, outside the tube. As your colony grows, the queen will lay more eggs, and the number of workers will increase. Once you have around 15 to 20 workers, it's time to consider transferring them to a larger formicarium. Connect the test tube to the new habitat, ensuring a clear path. The ants will naturally move into the new space when they feel it's more suitable, usually within a few days. Ongoing care involves maintaining the right humidity and temperature within the formicarium. Offer a consistent supply of sugar, water, and protein, adjusting quantities as the colony expands. Regularly clean the outworld to prevent mold and mites. Remember to observe your colony without causing undue stress, allowing them to thrive in their carefully managed environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.